We got in this amazing wireless car stereo CarPlay, and this is a screen with 4K dash cam, and it does come with a front camera, and it also come with a rear camera. We have not put in the rear camera, but you can utilize it for both. So again, you're going to go ahead and install it there, as you can see, but it does have CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, mirror link, and DVR Bluetooth. This is very advanced front and rear dual recording system, personalized audio with Bluetooth, FM, auxiliary, built-in speakers for CarPlay Screen, easy to install. And then you can see it has CarPlay Screen, making calls, sending messages. You hook it up, you connect it with it. A 1080p backup camera for your front and your back. You can see as he's moving it, the brightness, the home screen, it's all happening there. It's perfect for podcast, music alike. And again, this supports 12 volt to 32 volt, 360 degree adjustable mounting bracket that accommodates any item that you have, but you can see that it does show the front. You can also see the recording playbacks with it. He's go ahead and screen mirroring it, that way he can watch his videos on it. So Netflix, wherever you are, if you are on the road, you can go ahead and see that he's going through it. It's mirroring his screen, it is connecting, and this is an item that we highly recommend, y'all.